Hello everybody. I've got my little friend to say hello to you all. This is Basil. Basil is my new puppy, aren't you, Basil? And he only came to live with us on Saturday, so he's really, really tiny. But we thought it would be lovely if he could come and join in for story time this afternoon. So I'm sitting in one of my favourite places, which is in my garden, and it's a place that Basil really loves too. So hopefully he's not going to chew the book while we read the story, but I think he quite likes stories, so he can listen too. And the story I've chosen today is also about a puppy. And the puppy is called Fergus. But this puppy gets into a little bit of trouble, which I think might possibly happen with Basil as well if we're not very careful. The story is called Fergus's Big Splash. Fergus was looking for Farmer Bob. He wasn't in the hayfield. He wasn't in the big barn, was he, Basil? Only the mice were in the barn. Fergus asked all the animals. Moo, said the cow. Said the pigs. Cluck, 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 added the hen. Quack, 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 said the ducks. Thought Fergus. He must have gone fishing. I think Basil's enjoying this story, don't you? So he went to look, and the cow, the 3 pigs, the 2 ducks, and the hen followed him. Through the tall grass of the meadow. Can you see that, Basil? Look, there's a duck. Over the stile and into the dark wood. Until they came to a big pond. Fergus climbed into an old boat moored by the bank to get a better view. The cow climbed in after him, followed by the 3 pigs, the 2 ducks, and the hen, and Basil. The boat drifted to the middle of the pond. The animals mooed and winked and quacked and clucked, and the boat rocked. Everyone was having a great time, except for Fergus. I do wish they'd keep still, he worried. But they didn't, and the boat rocked more and more and more until splash! It tipped up completely, tumbling everyone into the water. Good job I stopped Basil falling in the water then. Come back, where are you going? Farmer Bob woke with a start. He'd fallen asleep in the shade of a big tree. What's that? He said. And he turned to see the cow paddling in the water, the pigs rolling in the mud, the ducks playing in the reeds, the hen pecking in the grass, Basil sitting on Mrs. Simpson's knee, and a very wet Fergus. Fergus, said Farmer Bob, what have you been up to? The other animals gathered round. Looked like Fergus was in trouble. Well, thought Fergus, at least I did find Farmer Bob. And he shook himself dry and trotted back to the farm. That was the second soaking the animals had that day. Silly Fergus. I hope you enjoyed that story. And I really hope you enjoyed meeting Basil. And I think you'll probably get to see him again tomorrow when we read our tomorrow story for you. Take care, everyone. Bye.